The CRPF has destroyed as many as 167 illegal bunkers and posts across Manipur. A week after Japanese Defense Ministry expressed concerns that inclusion of India in Tempest program will result in technology leakage to Russia, a Japanese think tank has said that India and Japan should jointly develop 3,000 km tactical missile strike capability to achieve shared deterrence against China. Dynamatic Technologies have been cleared to start assembly activities of Airbus A-220 Doors Production. GTRE is looking to set up a small compressor test facility for small gas turbine engines. VTOL Aviation India has unveiled its artificial intelligence-enabled VLMX loitering munition for Kamikaze missions that carries a 3 kg warhead and has a range of 30 kilometers. The Indian Air Force has identified the development of indigenous ejection seats for fighter jets as a priority area and has invited private sector companies to take the lead. The Indian Air Force has deployed its Tejas MK1 fighter jets to Leh, and this move serves as a preparatory step for the integration of the more advanced Tejas MK1A variant. Bangladesh is seeking China's assistance to construct an airbase at the Lalmonirhat airfield that is located just 10 kilometers from the Indian border. Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers has signed an MOU with Gujarat-based Swan Defence to collaborate in the construction of commercial vessels and offshore structures. The Cabinet Committee on Security has approved the $7 billion deal for 26 Rafale marine fighter jets from France for Indian Navy, and the government-to-government agreement will be signed during the visit of the French Defense Minister to New Delhi later this month. It also comprises a comprehensive package for fleet maintenance, logistical support, weapon systems and spares, personnel training, and even indigenous manufacturing components under offset obligations. Mahindra Aerostructures has been awarded a contract by Airbus Helicopters to manufacture and assemble the main fuselage of its H-130 light single-engine helicopter with assemblies that will be delivered to Airbus Helicopters facility in Europe from March 2027, marking a major milestone for India's Make in India initiatives, and is also seen as a competitor to HAL's light utility helicopter. As the Brazilian Air Force seeks modern fighter jets to replace its aging fleet of Northrop F-5 fighter jets, Pakistan has offered the locally assembled Chinese JF-17 Block 3 fighter jet in early April 2025, while India has offered its Tejas MK1A 4.5 generation fighter. The Brazilian Air Force chief has proposed a barter deal to India, suggesting the supply of Embraer's C-390 military transport aircraft to the Indian Air Force in exchange for Tejas MK1A order by the Brazilian Air Force. Tata Advanced Systems developed Crop G180-based jet-powered male-class UAV is currently in the last phase of flight testing. Tata Advanced Systems has made no changes to the airframe to save time and money on testing, and only fuel systems have been optimized for longer missions. It will be able to fly up to 41,000 feet, and will have a high speed of 750 kilometers per hour, with an impressive range of 3,400 kilometers. Today's top 3 comments.
Omar dropped it.